Hello students of 10th standard. Today we are going to start the lesson number 9, social health, from your science B section. Then see, whatever we are going to learn in this chapter is nothing but social health, factors endangering the social health and stress management. These are the points that we are going to study in this lesson. See, always whenever you go out or whenever you behave in an improper way, your elders will always tell you that you have to behave in such a way. They are instructing always you how to interact with the, you can say, relatives or with the other peoples, how to behave with the other peoples, how to talk with the other peoples, how to or whenever you are playing the outdoor games more in number, then they are telling that don't waste your time, by seeing your television or on mobile or on internet. This way they are telling you. Why the children of this age, are instructed? Because they don't know how to behave, or their lifestyle has been changed to some extent due to some technologies. Various now technologies are available, and the students, or you can say the childrens, they are going or they are taking the help of this technology, and they are spending their time more in the, you can say, other things. So each person should be busy, but he should give a proper time for a particular, you can say, particular work. He should have a particular job. Then see, whatever he is doing, it should be scientifically correct, or it should be in a good way, or it should be profitable. These are the, you can say, things told by your elder ones. They also tell you to do the physical exercise, or you can say some physical movements, due to which your physical health will be good, or you can say how to stay healthy. They are also telling us the concept of healthy is always told by the elders. Now see, classify your classmates with the following groups depending upon the observation for a week. What you have to do? You have to highly interactive, then occasionally interactive, or you can say non-interactive. So what are there? You have to classify your classmates into these three groups. Then see, make a list of friends of each of above three groups and mention the group to which you belong. Then see, next one, social health. There are factors which are affecting the social health. Which are they? See here, education, your financial status, then gardens, social and physical conditions of the surroundings, then social environment of the surrounding, residential area, water, toilets, then political condition, your playgrounds, social treatment, social, you can say, safety, transport facilities, education and job opportunities, satisfying the basic needs of the persons, that is nothing but food, clothing and shelter, and medicine. These are the factors which are affecting the social health. Now see, next page. Out of the various aspects of the social health, we thought about only one in the above mentioned activity. Social health is the ability of a person to establish relationship with the other person. See, whenever we are considering the above factors, we only try to consider only one factor, that is nothing but our social relationship with the others. Then ability to change one's behavior according to changing social conditions is important characteristics of a social health. That means to change ourselves with the surroundings, or to get, you can say, to become a good man. What you have to do? You have to change according to our surrounding. Various factors are there. They are nothing but personality, having a large number of friends, and you can say relatives. So whenever you have a large number of friends or relatives, proper use of a time for your during loneliness, and peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for the others are important for the good social health. Whenever you want to maintain the social health, you want to have a good relationship with the others. What you have to do whenever you are in a loneliness, you have to use the time in a proper way. How to behave with the peer group, or you can say have trust in the others, have respect for the others, have a tendency of acceptance. All these are, you can say, conditions which affect the, you can say, social health, or these are the various factors which affect the social health. Now the factors disturbing, there are other factors also which are disturbing the social health. They are nothing but, see there, mental stress. See here, factors disturbing the social health, mental stress. So what does this tell you? Competition has increased in opportunities for education, employment and business due to increase in population. So whenever you see there is a, you can say, increase in the competition, there is a competition in the many fields. That fields may be the education field, that may be the employment field, that may be the business field. Each and every field nowadays is having a, you can say, opportunities. This is why, because this is due to the increase in the population. As there is number of, you can say, persons has been increased, there has been, you can say, competition in each and every sector. Children are facing the problems of loneliness and mental stress due to the reason like nuclear family and parents stay outdoors due to the job. Whenever you see the students of nowadays, or you can say the children of nowadays, what they are doing, they are feeling loneliness as the joint family has been perished now. Now what has been come? The nuclear family has been come, and father, mother and two children, they are living in one house. That makes their family, that is nothing but the nuclear family of them. So they can't, you can say, they feel the mental stress due to the loneliness, and as their father and mother are out of the house for the sake of the job, there is nobody to talk or nobody to react with the children into the house. There are many bindings on girls and excessive freedom for the boys in the same families. Whenever you see a family of today, you see that girls are, you can say, binded by many things, but boys are, you can see, free to do anything. Boys enjoy the concession from their domestic duties. So what they do? Boys do not do the domestic work. All domestic work is told to do for the girls only. And whereas girls have compulsion for same on the pretext that should be used to eat. What they have to do? They have to do that, and that is their duty. That is told by the, you can say, parents. Do you see the advertisement about increasing awareness on avoiding the discrimination between the girls and boys, or you can say sisters and brothers? Nowadays you are seeing many advertisements where the girls and boys are compared, and in that the girls are always working and the boys are spending their time freely. This is shown. Then see, brothers in same family, on choice of fresh, leftover food, learning medium, all these things, whatever the girls, they have to work into the house, they have to eat the leftover food, or whatever the books or anything they are of their, you can say, elders, that books and material they have to use. So in society too, adolescent girls have unnecessarily faced the problems like teasing and molestation. Whenever you see, there are girls who are going for the job or who are going for the school. On the way, they have to meet such persons persons who are teasing them or who are abusing them, such types of peoples we can meet there. Girls are facing the problems of stress due to the gender inequality. Whatever, as they are girls, they are facing the many types of the problems. See, nowadays everyone has to face the stress due to the increased disorder, crime and violence. As there is an increase in crime, or you can say violence, every person has to face the, you can say, stress. At the same time, people looking at this fast and easy way of making money. Nowadays, the people are interested in earning the money more, but how? It should be earned very early. They do not have time. They do not wait for such things. See, there may become scapegoats and become part of a such system. Nowadays, they have become as one of the, you can say, like you can say life has become like a goats that always they are going front and front only. Then see, this is the deadly effect of the social illness. Then see, addictions, peer group, the group which is, you can say, before the adolescence. Then see, or is stronger in case of adolescents, or the peer group which is belonging to the adolescents. Adolescents always prefer the company of the, you can say, friends and follow their good or bad habits instead of advising of the parents and teachers. Whenever the, you can say, students or the persons of the peer group, they are advised by their mother and father, they do not listen to them, or they only listen to their friends. If their friends are even though their friends are having bad or good habits, they follow only that types of the habits. Children in their early age try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drink, drugs. See, such peoples, or you can say such students, undergo the following things that are nothing but tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, or you can say drugs. They try to, you can say, take it. Then see, due to either peer group pressure or symbol of a high standard living, or as an imitation of the elders. Whenever you see the students who are belonging, or the persons who are belonging to the, you can say, peer group, they are following either their elders, or they want to live into the high society, or they think that in high society if we do such things then we are able to live in the high society. However, it may lead to the addiction to such deadly substance. Whenever such substances are consumed by the peer group, then what happens? They become addict temporarily. You can see, intoxicating drugs of a plant origin and some chemicals may permanently damage the human nervous system. But these things may damage the human nervous system, muscle system or heart. Earlier we have studied that there are carcinogenic effects of tobacco containing the substance to the, you can say, mouth and lungs. Nowadays we have seen many of the persons who are in the adolescent, they are suffering from cancer, and mostly they are suffering the cancer of the, you can say, mouth and lungs. That is why, because they are eating the gutka, or you can say tobacco, or the persons they are smoking, they may have the lung cancer too.